Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning once again. Yes, sir. We are on another group build, yet another one. So I'm already in the Mustang group build for Mike's channel over at Scale Speedworks. So go over his channel, check his content out. He's got a lot of cool stuff. He's got a lot of great videos over there. So we are in that one. I have a year to do it, so I got a lot of time to finish that one yet. So we're going to get down that one here pretty quick. And also I am entering in at Mars's Garage. I'm entering in on the Rust Bucket group build. I believe that one is hashtag Rust Bucket 2023. And I am entering the Mobius Ranger Snowplow. So I figured perfect truck to rot that bad boy out, make it look cool. So check out Mars's channel, get in on that one as well. Get in on some of these builds, guys. They're pretty fun. It's always so cool to see what everybody else does with the same type theme, so it's really unique. I like it. So the new group build we're getting into, this one is put on by Jason at Blue Ox Models, and this one is the Street Machine group build, and I'm really looking forward to doing this. I thought, man, I really him hot on the kit. I wasn't sure what to do. I was watching his video on this and I thought, that might be a good one to get into. And I had do I do this one, do that one? And then he was mentioning in his video that a Street Machine is basically a 1949 to present. But then he went on and thought, you know what, we're going to open it up to anything older. And I thought, ooh, I got an idea for this, but I kind of changed my mind last minute. So my original idea, maybe I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. See what you guys think. My original idea was it's the Revell 29 Model A Roadster, the 2-in-1. You know, the dude hanging outside with was it 78 on the door? That model kit. I was going to take that car, obviously put different wheels and tires on it, and I was going to take a resin engine that I got from Chris over at Raising Cane Resins. I have a Predator engine out of the Mustang, and it's a nice, beautiful resin engine. I thought, man, what do I put that in? Because it's so cool and detailed looking. I mean, this thing's super detailed. And I thought, what better to put that in something like that, because this needs to be looked at. It needs to be viewed. It's sweet looking. And I didn't want to put it under the hood of something. I thought, boy, that Roadster would be perfect for that, because there's no really sheet metal up front, per se a front clip. It's just got a radiator hanging out there. I thought that'd be perfect for that engine. And I thought about putting that in there, but I wasn't sure. So I didn't know if I was going to go that route or the other one I was going to do is the 69 Shelby GT500 2-in-1 by Revell. I've had this kit forever. And I thought, you know what a perfect opportunity to do. And for modifications, I don't know if I'd do anything too extravagant, because I really like these cars kind of the way they are. The kit does give the option to put the dual quad out of the hood. So I think I'm just going to do is, if I did this kit, the kit does come with the wheels on it, the bigger wheels. So I think I'd just run it with that, and that'd be my modification. Other than putting a slick paint job on it. And, if you look at the box art, it does look pretty cool with those wheels on it. I just wouldn't go red on it. I'd probably do something more like grabber blue, a grabber green. I also looked at my paint stuff. I got an Indian Mist, a bronze fire, something like that, some kind of unique color. I just thought that looked really cool. So it's either going to be this one or that Model A. So I'm kind of flip-flopping on back and forth on it. I think the Model A would be really cool with that Predator motor in there. I think that'd be really neat. But I really like these cars too. And I'm still thinking about it, but we're in on this. This is my entry video. Like I say, it's going to be this guy or that guy, but I'm leaning more towards this guy here. Like I said, that would be cool to do that other motor in that. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Which way should we go on this? Should we go with candidate A or candidate B, which I should go over and grab that model? Hold on, let me go grab that so you guys have a little more visual on that. Please hold. Just like that, movie magic, we are back. So it's either going to be this kit or we're going to do this kit. So this would get the Predator supercharged engine in it, which would look super cool. Or we're going to do this guy with the just the aftermarket wheels on it and go with that route. So not sure which one I'm going to do yet. So I thought this was really sweet with that engine in it. Not sure, but if I decide to do this one, I will definitely do this one either way with that engine in it. because I've really been thinking about this. It's got the Chevy engine in it, the Chevy small block in it, which, I mean, that's cool. But I think the other one would be cooler. So that's what we're doing. So that's my entry for the group build. Like say A or B, and we'll see how it ends up. So we're going to get started on this pretty quick. So it's kind of cool. He gave us to the end of the year, December 31st, to finish this up. And that gives us plenty of time to do these kits, or kit I should say, and get it finished up. So that's good. I like the time frame because I got nothing better to do, right? I got plenty of time. We can make it happen. So anyways, we're going to do one of the two and go from there. So head on over to Jason's channel if you guys have not been over there and get in on this build as well. So all the channels I had mentioned, there'll be links in the description below and all that good stuff. So, okay guys, wrapping up this video. So you guys have a good one and we will see you on the next build. You guys have a good one. We'll see ya.